Hi guys, welcome back. So this is part 2 of our general knowledge series with respect to important questions for your exams. Okay? Now I said in the earlier video that we have 200 questions, but no, we have 300 questions. 300 important questions, okay? So we already completed 50 questions. In our last video, we'll start with question number 51 now. Okay? All right. So question number 51. Question number 51 is India's first artificial intelligence based digital lock adalat was launched in July 2022 in which state? India's first AI based digital लोक अदालत डिजिटल लोक अदालत कहाँ पे लॉन्च हुई है? जुलाई 2022 में. द आंसर इज सी, राजस्थान में. ठीक है, द आंसर इज सी, इन राजस्थान. नेक्स्ट, which of the following was established by the Government of India Act 1919? Which of the following was established by the Government of India Act 1990? The answer is all of these. So Council of States, the lower house, and the diarchy system. Council of States, lower house, and the diarchy system. All three were established by the Government of India Act 1919. Next, who was the first Defense Minister of India? पहले Defense Minister of India कौन थे? The answer is B, Baldev Singh Chokar. Baldev Singh Chokar was the first Defense Minister of India. Next, the parliament of which country has passed a law to make work from home a legal right? Legal right बना दिया. कौन से country के parliament ने work from home को? Netherlands. नीदरलैंड के country ने work from home को legal right बना दिया है. Next, which of the following is related to the judgment of the Supreme Court in Colonel Nitisha versus Union of India? Colonel Nitisha versus Union of India जो 2021 का judgment था, it's related to what? D. Theory of indirect discrimination. Sorry. Theory of indirect discrimination. ठीक है, ये भी आपका आर्टिकल 14 में ही आता है. Next, now in the United Nations, Turkey will be known as UN में अब टर्की को किस नाम से जाना जाएगा? तुर्की. तुर्की. Okay. Next, which of the following case is related to the benchmark disability? Benchmark disability से कौन सा केस related है? Vikas Kumar versus UPSC 2021. Vikas Kumar versus UPSC is related to benchmark disability. Next, which of the following convention is related to amendment and modification of treaties? Amendment and modification of treaties से कौन सा convention related है? Vienna Convention. Vienna Convention. Next, Lima Conference on Climate Change was held on? The Lima Conference on Climate Change, it was held on 14th December 2014. 14th December 2014. Next, International Criminal Court consists of, ICC में कितने judges हैं? 18 judges. Consists of 18 judges. Guys, these are important questions for your, specifically for your Gujarat prelims exam. ठीक है, that is going to come. Now, if you do these questions, you read these questions, you revise these questions, it's going to be of a great help. Out of these 300 questions, suppose even if 20 to 25 questions fall in, it will be great. It will be amazing, okay? Next. The Batukama is a state festival of, it's a state festival of Telangana. Batukama is a state festival of Telangana. Next, which of the following has been declared as India's first 24/7 solar powered village? India's first 24/7 solar powered village कहाँ है? मोढेरा, गुजरात में. मोढेरा, गुजरात में. Next, SUPES portal was launched in the year 2021 to 22 with the object to A, assist in the court's efficiency. SUPES जो है आपका सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक पोर्टल लॉन्च किया है, ऑनलाइन पोर्टल. ठीक है, it is with respect to assist the courts in the efficiency. Next, Ek Pehal campaign is associated with, Ek Pehal, the campaign is associated with the Ministry of Law and Justice. It is associated with the Ministry of Law and Justice. Next, according to the Indian Forest Status Report 2022, the forest cover in India consists of, इंडियन फॉरेस्ट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से इंडिया में कितना फॉरेस्ट कवर है? 21.71%. 21.71%. Next, which of the following country is not a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council? इनमें से कौन सी कंट्री यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल की परमानेंट मेंबर नहीं है? द आंसर इज ए, जर्मनी. Germany is not a permanent member of the UNSC. Next, which of the following is not correctly matched? The answer is C. That means Indian Independence Act 1947 का है, Indian Councils Act 1909 का है, and the first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held in 1946. Next, any woman now may terminate her pregnancy up to, any woman may now terminate her pregnancy up to how many weeks? Up to 24 weeks. 24 weeks. Next, who was the first chairperson of the National Commission for Women? Who was the first chairperson for National Commission of Women? The answer is Jayanti Patnaik. Jayanti Patnaik was the first chairperson of National Commission of Women. Next, in which of the following cases it was held that a practice may be a religious practice, but merely due to that reason does not form essential and integral part of the religion? कि एक practice जो है आपकी religious practice हो सकती है, but merely due to that reason it does not form an essential and integral part of that religion. The answer is Ismail Faruqi versus Union of India. It was held in Ismail Faruqi versus Union of India. Next, which of the following is not a specialized agency of the UN? Which of the following is not a specialized agency of the UN? The answer is B, United Nations Human Rights Commission. The UN Human Rights Commission is not a specialized agency. Next, the capital of Magadha Kingdom was, Magadha Kingdom का capital क्या था? Rajagriha. Rajagriha was the capital of Magadha Kingdom. Next, which of the following is written in both prose and poetry? इनमें से क्या ऐसा है वेद है जो कि दोनों प्रोज में फॉर्म में भी लिखा गया है और पोएट्री के फॉर्म में भी लिखा गया है? The answer is B, यजुर्वेद. The answer is B, यजुर्वेद. Next, who has been regarded as the Indian Napoleon? इंडियन नेपोलियन किसको बोलते हैं? समुद्रगुप्त को. समुद्रगुप्त को इंडियन नेपोलियन बोलते हैं. Next, which of the following is not correctly matched? The biographies and the authors, इसमें से क्या correctly matched नहीं है? This one. This is not correctly matched. ठीक है? So read this, pause the video and read the three by yourself once. Shivaji's revenue policy was, शिवाजी की revenue policy इनमें से कौन सी? The answer is Ryotwari. Ryotwari was the revenue policy of Shivaji. Next, which one of the following is correct order of the ashram system? Ashram system का correct order क्या है? I'll directly say the correct answer. It be brahmacharya, then grihastha, then vanaprasth, and then sannyas. Next, how many types of marriages are described in Smriti texts? कितने types of marriages जो हैं Smriti text में described है? The answer is C. There are 8 types of marriages that are described in Smriti texts. Next, who was Bogapati? Who was Bogapati? Bogapati was the governor of a territorial unit. Bogapati was governor of a territorial unit. Next, who was called Kshetraj Putra in ancient India? Who was called Kshetraj Putra in ancient India? The answer is D, son born of a Niyog system. A son born of Niyog system was called Kshetraj Putra in ancient India. Next, who used to control the markets during Alauddin Khilji? Alauddin Khilji के reign में markets को कौन control करता था? The answer is B, Shahnai Mandi. The answer is B, Shahnai Mandi. Next, in which of the following rocks edicts Ashoka say about the respect of other religions too? The answer is in the 12th rock edicts. Ashoka talked about the respect of other religions. 12th. Next, whose preachings raised the status of lower castes and women in the society? Whose preachings raised the status of lower castes and women in society? The answer is B, Ramananda. It was Ramananda's preaching that raised the status of lower castes and women in society. Next, in which site of the Indus Valley civilization an idol of bronze dancer is found? कौन से साइट पे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के ब्रॉन्ज डांसर का आइडल मिलता है? The answer is B, in Mohenjo-daro. It is found in Mohenjo-daro. Next, who described Akbar as the noblest king that ever ruled in India? Who described Akbar as the noblest king that ever ruled in India? The answer is A, Stanley Land Pool. Stanley Land Pool. Next, with which religion maximum cave paintings of Ajanta are connected? The maximum cave paintings of Ajanta are connected to Buddhism religion. They are connected to Buddhism religion. Who wrote many love poems dedicated to Lord Krishna? Love poems dedicated to Lord Krishna were written by Ras Khan. Okay, the answer is C, Ras Khan. Next, which is considered as oldest Indian school of philosophy? Oldest Indian school of philosophy is B, Sankhya. Sankhya is the oldest Indian school of philosophy. Next, the revolt of 1857 was a Hindu-Muslim conspiracy. Who said this? Who said that the revolt of 1857 was a Hindu-Muslim conspiracy? It was said by Sir James Outram. Sir James Outram. Next, Anushilan Smriti was found by the revolutionaries found Anushilan Smriti. The revolutionaries found Anushilan Smriti. Next, by which name Sultan Firoz Khan Tughlaq translated Sanskrit works into Persian? By which name Sultan Firoz Khan Tughlaq translated Sanskrit works into Persian? The answer is A, Dayale Firoz Shahi. Dayale Firoz Shahi. Next, the age of civil service exams was reduced from 21 years to 19 years in 1876. Next, Mahatma Gandhi decided to start the Dandi March on. When did Mahatma Gandhi decide to start the Dandi March? 11th March 1930. 11th March 1930. Mahatma Gandhi decided to start the Dandi March. Next, who wrote India Wins Freedom? India Wins Freedom किसने लिखी है? मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad wrote India Wins Freedom. Next, who founded Asiatic Society in 1784? 1784 में Asiatic Society किसने found करी थी? The answer is A, William Jones. William Jones founded the Asiatic Society in 1784. Next, who amongst the following is the author of Gita Rahasya? Who among the following is the author of Gita Rahasya? The answer is C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the author of Gita Rahasya. Next, who founded Sarda Sadan? Who founded the Sarda Sadan? The answer is A, Ramabai. Ramabai founded Sarda Sadan. Just two more questions left. Which of the following Rig Vedic gods is not mentioned in Bogaskoi inscription? Which of the following Rig Vedic gods is not mentioned in Bogaskoi inscription? The answer is D, Agni. Agni god is not mentioned in Bogaskoi inscription. Next, who became the Sultan of Delhi after the death of Balban? Who became the Sultan of Delhi after the death of Balban? The answer is C, Kaikobad. Kaikobad became the Sultan of Delhi after the death of Balban. Last one, who was Panini? Panini was a grammarian. Panini was a grammarian. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, in the next video, we'll do question number 101 to question number 150. The next video, we'll do question number 101 to question number 150. That's it for this video, guys. In this video, I'll tell you the last time what we are doing is we are doing all the PYQs. All the PYQs, all the important questions of your judiciary exam related to your GK. These are the most important questions that you have to do, that you mandatorily have to do before